6 Home remedies to treat a sore throat at home. Colds, flus, and strep throat are among the most common health problems, especially in the winter. While they are often quite painful, the symptoms usually subside within a week. Why wait a week when you can easily relieve a sore throat at home with these helpful tips? 1. Honey. One of the best remedies for a sore throat is honey, due to its natural antibacterial properties which act as a wound healer, reducing inflammation and providing instant relief. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with a warm glass of water or tea and stir well. Drink several times a day as needed if you have a sore throat plus a cough. The Food and Drug Administration does not recommend giving honey to infants under the age of 1. 2. Salt water. Despite not providing immediate relief, salt water is truly a powerful remedy to kill bacteria, loosen mucus, and ease pain. Simply add half a teaspoon of salt to 8 ounces of warm water and gargle. Lemon. Lemons, like saltwater and honey, are great for sore throats since they can help break up mucus and relieve pain. Plus, lemons contain vitamin C which boosts the immune system and helps it fight off infection. A teaspoon of lemon juice mixed with warm water can provide relief quickly. 4. Tea. There is a wide variety of herbal teas you can try for quick sore throat relief. Clove tea and green tea both contain antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to fight infections while providing pain relief. Raspberry, chamomile, and lavender are other herbal teas you can try. For pain relief and inflammation reduction, ginger tea and peppermint tea are excellent choices. If you have hoarseness in your voice or are having difficulty speaking, chamomile tea may prove to be a great solution. Aside from that, peppermint tea can soothe your throat and ease your pain. Caffeine content may also play a role in choosing the best tea for your sore throat. 5. Hot sauce. Using hot sauce to soothe a sore throat may seem strange, but hot sauce is actually proven to relieve sore throats. A hot sauce can provide pain relief and inflammation relief by using peppers that contain capsaicin, a substance that helps fight inflammation. If you have a sore throat, gargling with warm water and a few drops of hot sauce may help. 6. Humidifier. You may need to consider purchasing a humidifier if you've experienced more sore throats this season. You may have a sore throat due to dry air, especially during the harsh, cold winter months. You will feel a lot better when you use a humidifier. To provide additional relief, add a tablespoon or 2 of vapor rub or hydrogen peroxide solution. If you like this video, like and leave your comments. Share with friends for more recipes and tips, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.